Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to a new video on Luna Classic. Almost a daily update again because I covered it yesterday and the day before as well. But I don't know, I felt like it was needed. Let me know if it actually was needed. Because right now, I mean, it's been quite bullish again last night, over the last couple of hours at least. And that's something I've actually seen quite a lot over the last week. It's some sort of an interesting phenomenon, and that could actually result in some more bullish momentum and some real strong bullish momentum as well. So that's why I thought it was interesting to make another update on it, because I haven't talked about this yet, and I do think it's very interesting for all of you. All right, so that's probably what most of the video will be about. We'll cover everything, all right? We'll probably start off with the technicals, or we'll end with the technicals. We'll see, but hopefully, in the end, that's my goal. You'll know everything you need to know. Now, before we dive into Luna Classic, I do want to briefly state that I have my own premium trading group, in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, which is very, very valuable, and my trading guide. So if you are interested in that, consider joining. Links will be down in the description. But for now, let's get into Luna Classic. So I think it's best to start off with why I think Luna Classic has some great potential in the short term, or at least short term. With short term, I mean the next week or so. And the main reason for that is that I've observed, like I always check out numbers regarding open interest and volume and stuff. And what I've seen with Luna Classic is that basically since Thursday, but it actually happened earlier as well. It also happened Saturday the 16th. I can no longer see that with these stats, but then the open interest and volume also got a bit higher. But what we've seen is that the open interest and the volume have actually been doing pretty well. Like they've been spiking up. And the reason for that, unfortunately, because USDC is not really, well, USDC is actually doing something as well. So that corresponds well to it. But there looks to be some sort of manipulation throughout the whole TERRA ecosystem, all right? Because this also happened with Luna 2.0. And you see a lot of volume coming from top credit, from BTC Turk, and usually if a lot of volume is coming from those sources, it is manipulated. And that is the bullish thing, manipulation. Because manipulation is usually associated with some bearish. It's usually a little bit of a bearish connotation, right? But in the case of Luna Classic, it could actually be very, very bullish, because it means that it's possible to get a rally without great fundamentals. And at this moment, there are really no great fundamentals regarding Luna Classic or USDC or anything. So that is the main thing. The main thing to watch for that, I would actually say that maybe Luna, like Luna 2.0, has a little bit of a higher chance to rally from here. Luna 2.0 has also suffered, but there's a bit more stability in the price. I'm keeping my eyes on that as well. But for Luna Classic, it is possible. The big thing is confirmation, all right? It needs to break above that 6,300, 6,400 level. What you could do as well is keep an eye on the volume. If the volume rapidly increases together with the open interest, then there's a higher probability of a breakout as well. But that is the main thing to watch. And something like this, I would actually say, is pretty realistic in the next week. I would not say it's the most likely scenario, because it's always hard to predict these things. I'd say it has like a 40% chance of happening, because technically Luna Classic is still bearish. All right, and it also respected to 200 EMA right here. It looks like the open interest is starting to drop down again, so that momentum is being lost. So technically, I have to say that it's more likely that Luna Classic will just drop back down towards 5,900 and 6,000, and that and then it slowly will drop back down towards 5,700, and then it will consolidate here. Technically, that is still the most likely scenario, because there's not enough indication yet of that scenario and that market structure breaking. But I do have the feeling, not based on nothing, that there's a possibility for a breakout. So it is worth it to keep an eye on Luna Classic. I will do that as well. Once I think it's breaking out, I'll make an update. But for now, these are my thoughts this Sunday. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.